In a world where dogs truly wore human clothes, there lived a dapper dachshund named Derp. Known for his eccentric taste in fashion, think sequined tuxedos and top hats, Derp was the star of the neighborhood. One day, he donned an oversized sweater knitted with tiny, angry-looking cats. The effect was nothing short of breathtaking, causing fellow dogs to recoil in terror. "Oh my goodness," squeaked a Shih Tzu, "Derp looks absolutely rage-inducing." And so, the angry cat sweater meme was born, with canines across the globe sporting the pattern, terrified yet envious of Derp's newfound fame.